Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create some Valentine's Day designs for our print-on-demand shops, or just for yourself to print out or to have as a clip art. We're going to design it in Canva, so let's hop over on my computer into Canva and start designing. Okay, so we here are in Canva, and I already did this design and this design. So I'm combining coffee with, well, Valentine's. So today I'm thinking we're gonna design this one. So I'm just gonna delete this so we can start from scratch. So let's move this over and let's go to Elements. So and this is a 5000 by 5000 pixels canvas because that's the biggest I could get on Canva. So that's what we're working with. Okay, so let's see the ones we already had recently used. So yeah, I do like this kitty one here. I used that one, no, that one I think. So I'm going for sort of the coffee I just put in when I searched for this. Latte, then graphics, and then I went for static and free, apply filter, and then we'll see what comes up. Now I'm not sure if that cat, yeah, there it is. So I really like this kitty, but I'm gonna probably change the color a bit because we actually can change the colors up here. Sometimes you can't. This time you can. So let's see. Let's play around with the colors here. White. Maybe that's cute. I'm not sure. Let's see. Damn, you can't see the parts. It's too dark. No, I don't want a dark kitty. No. That's the dark one. Yikes. Yeah, might be better, but I still don't like the cat. That's too dark. I mean, we can change it here. Move it around. That one needs to be black, and then there, and then put that color around a bit. Let's try that. I just liked it. It's a little different. It incorporates the cat with the coffee idea. So let's leave that for now. Center it a bit. And then let's see. I like that coffee splash around it, but that's a little bit too splashy. Need all that. Click on it, get rid of it, click on it. Yeah. So this gives me a whole bunch of recommendations here. I mean, you can go with anything pretty much. You could probably put a cat and coffee in here. Let's see. Those are already here. Oh, that's actually, yeah. That's cute. That's cute. And then you just get mostly just cat stuff. Okay. Now let's go to cat theme would be funny. Okay, enough playing around with all this. Let's go to circles. There we go. Circles. And we keep this up here, the two, the static and the free. Now, let's try out some, that's kind of cute. Just kind of want to ground it with a circle like I did here and here. Not sure if this is the right one. Delete it. Move this up a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. Not this one. Change the color because, oh, I guess you can change the color menu. Yes, you can. So this is that one, or the, those are the colors that are already in here, except I don't know where that blue came from, but like I said, we can play around as much as Lily wants. Maybe this is all too dark. Not the brown. Nah. Too many decisions. I don't know. That's too dark, I think. Too light. Let's go with the red. We'll see how we do it with the font. So we have to fit a font in here. See, now you can't move the cat. So let's move that out of here and find font first because it won't let me do that. I used that one last time and also used this one. Now some of them you can change the colors and some you can. I don't like this one. So we have to, I'm going to put it in here so I can see it. I don't need that. So we go here and then just element and get rid of that. And we need to change the color. That one. I'm going to just leave it at this for now. Okay. Coffee is, because then I'm going to put the same one down here because I'm going to do a circle. And I'll leave that one. Get rid of it. Okay, why is that way bigger? I don't know. Anyway, oops. So I have to make it smaller. I'm going to curve it. So to curve it, we go to, click on one of them, go to Effects, go down here to Curves, and then you can obviously have to counter. And go about there, and then this same one, curve it this way. Oh, oops. You can move it. Okay, And now let's go get that circle because it won't work otherwise. Still can look for some other ones. Not that one. Not necessarily. It needs to be so many decisions. Not that one. Is that too much on there? Oops. A bit confused because I can't see. Let's change the color list one there so I can see what I'm doing. That's too big. Okay. There's too much going on there. Scalloped edges. I'm just gonna pick one. Like the inversion, the one I did first. Yeah, let's do that one. Again, this is just a demonstration, and you can do whatever you want. Just give you some ideas. This is pretty fat though. I'm gonna give this another color. It's too much. Yeah. Maybe that one. Just, yeah, that one doesn't look good. There, so we have a simple design. Again, I did the same with this. This one needs to be fixed a little bit more, but I definitely like this one. This one I can show you quick how I did this one. Must have been one of these. Interesting that I can't find it now. That's it. Kind of like that, but not. Okay, let's go back to Elements and then see all the ones I used or kind of played around. So there it is. Can't remember what it was under. I just liked it because it had the hearts already. So all I did is I put that in the center or lower center. And then I went to text and then I used this one and changed the color, changed to more of a red and black, and then I put a couple more hearts, even though these ones are nicer because you got the shadow and the light, but whatever. Again, you could probably change it with Canva Draw if you're really good at that. I'm not very good with the computer to do that. So then I found this circle, which had kind of an ombre shading to it, so I just changed that. And yeah, voila. This is probably my favorite. This is cute too. It's just very simple. And this one is more like retro, kind of a sort of fountain coffee shop kind of vibe. This one's cute because of the kitty. Again, you can move that around a little bit to make it more, centered. Yeah, so that's how that went. I'm gonna download, clean them up a little bit, and I'll download them, and then I'll put them probably not on my Redbubble, probably on my Teepublic. Maybe one of them I'll put on Redbubble, maybe this one, because I mostly have just designs, patterns, and artwork on there now. But on Teepublic I have kind of more pet and animal oriented designs, and text designs, but it'll fit into. So I'm gonna upload these ones to Teepublic. If you want to see a tutorial on how I upload to Teepublic, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a little bit how to use Canva for making Valentine designs. Obviously, these are really great for stickers. That's why I kind of went with the round shape. They might not look so great on a canvas or whatever. I mean, you can probably take some of these elements off. You also need to change the shapes, the sizes to make them more workable, but might be cute on a t-shirt too. And on a card, of course. Make sure you save it as a transparent background, and yeah, you're ready to go. Hope that made you a little bit excited on getting some designs done for Valentine's, which is in a month, so it's probably almost too late. Not quite, I think they're pretty easy to make, so. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure you watch that other one, show you how to make stickers. I will link it above.